AMC did not have the day we were hoping for. As you may know, GameStop, GME has absolutely got burnt. The ship is down. People have left the train. I'm still holding my GameStop shares. And before we talk about AMC, guys, let's talk a little bit about psychology of investing. You got to remember, he only invests the money you're willing to lose. And people did not understand that. They saw this as the holy grail. They put a lot of money that they weren't willing to lose into GameStop. I know many people actually, unfortunately, like literally, I could say like 10 names off the top of my head. People I know personally that bought GameStop when it's $350 and above. My good friend Radis, if you guys probably watch his channel too, he bought GameStop at $350 above. From day one, from my last channel, I've been saying at all my GameStop prediction videos and any GameStop related video that I am not going to buy GameStop. It has left the train station. I bought GameStop on its way down at about 188. Just one share in hopes that it's going to go back up. That being said, that was the money I was willing to lose. That's why I put just one share in. Okay. That being said, a lot of people weren't investing like that. They put a lot of money. So those people who got burnt will never invest in the stock market again, unfortunately, because they see that, look, simple math, guys. If you bought 3 shares at $300 and above, that's an iMac. That's an iPhone. That's a month's rent. That's not money you play with. That's not money you're willing to lose. That's not 2%, 5% of your portfolio. That's a lot of money. Somebody who has $10,000 portfolio did not invest $1,000 in GameStop. It wouldn't make sense, right? If you had a big portfolio, $100,000 portfolio, and then you bought at 40, you spent $2,000, it makes sense, right? And you would have made large profits if you closed when it was at the high. But again, we're all diamond hands, right? I'm still holding, guys. I know a lot of you still are, and we're burnt. I'm not even gonna make prediction videos anymore because it's so crazy for GameStop, because I honestly think it's over, right? Am I gonna hold? I'm gonna hold. I'll let this sink, right? Join my Discord if you want to know exactly when I buy and sell stocks. That's down below. Totally free to join. That being said, guys, now let's talk about AMC, right? And the reason why I put that psychology in your head is so we understand what the heck's happening with AMC, because we saw a lot of volume today in AMC. AMC is actually down 20%. It's down another $1.80. And again, a lot of people bought AMC at the high, unfortunately. However, with AMC, and I've been saying this from the beginning, the fact that the price of entry is so low, more people were willing to come in, right? And the losses weren't as significant as GameStop, because it didn't shoot up 1,000%. I know a lot, actually it did shoot up 100%, but it didn't shoot up more than 100%. So at max you only lost half your investment, depending on when you entered and how long you're gonna hold. Okay, so we have the chart open now. And let's look at AMC, guys. So after market's trading at 697 and it closed at 709. So again, it's not down by much. And honestly, I don't think AMC is gonna go down to 650. If it goes below 650, I think $6.50 is a resistance. If it goes below 650, it's done. It's not gonna recover. It will go back to being $3-4 a share. But we see, okay, yesterday we closed at $8.95, and when market open, after market, we've seen buying and selling, decent amount of volume, but we see it open at $8.73, and from there it tanks. People sold, right? The same people who bought high are now, after seeing GameStop especially, they're like, okay, this is over. All these Wall Street bets are over. We're closing. Now the bulls came in and they bought the dips, right? And same pattern, guys. It goes down. We have to understand, there's day traders, there's swing traders in the mix as well. There's people that are buying and holding, and there's people that just don't know what they're doing. So the second they see it go down, it creates more fear, and the second it goes back up, they're closing. Okay. Then we saw the most volume right here, and we saw it spike up a little bit, but again, a lot of buying and selling. We saw it pattern throughout the entire day, right until it hit $7.90. That's when we saw a real downward trend where it touched about $7.15, and it continued to go from there. Volume was pretty decent. Like there was actually a good amount of volume here, and we were hoping to have a good day. Going forward, guys, with what's happening with AMC, I honestly, guys, for tomorrow, I don't think AMC is gonna have a good day, because people are going to be afraid to hold over the weekend. It's Friday, market's closed. We don't know what's going to happen. There's going to be 2 days of after markets, and you understand a lot of investors, in general, they don't like to hold they don't like to hold over the weekend. So we're going to probably see AMC dip. Now, is AMC going to the moon? We pray that it goes to the moon. AMC to the moon, baby. But unfortunately, guys, there's no promise that it is, because the same people that are putting all that volume in are gone, and they're probably not coming back. The people that are holding are probably looking for opportunities to close. So the second we see it pass our previous resistance of $9, we're going to see a lot of selling happening because people are just going to try to recover their loss. That being said, guys, what do we see with AMC tomorrow? I honestly see AMC continuing to stay in between that $7 and $6.50 range. Come Monday and Tuesday, we'll really be able to understand what's happening. If we could see a lot of bullish momentum on Monday, we could definitely see it rise, right? Will it rise back up? It's hard to say. We can't predict. Like, if anybody's telling you it's going back $25, they're lying to you, because there's no future device, unless maybe I'm behind on technology, but my iPhone doesn't predict the future just yet. Maybe I need to buy the iPhone 12. Maybe that's when I'll know when the stock price will be. But looking at the way it's moving right now, guys, I can honestly tell you that it doesn't look like it has hope. However, right, this is not investment advice. However, I am still holding, because I was talking to my buddy on the phone today. I was talking to a couple of my friends because they called me like, dude, it went down, it crashed, it burned. Here's the thing, guys. There's a 98% chance, right? And I'm pulling these numbers out of my backside, okay? Because there's no proof for any of this. There's a I'd say 95 to 98% chance it's done. The people are gone. Like the Wall Street bet meme stock buyers and new investors are probably gone, okay? But there's still a 2% chance that when these shorts expire, that if the ladder manipulation stops, the short ladder manipulation stops, that we see this stock skyrocket. So if that 2% is enough for you and you're willing to bet on it, stay in, right? If you can handle losing more money, that's up to you to decide if you're going to exit out. Are you going to exit out the low? However, remember, guys, back in 2019, AMC was trading at $27 a share. So even if you bought it at the high and you were to ride this out, because it's not going bankrupt. It was supposed to go bankrupt a couple of months ago, and they got bailed out. I think $1 million bailout from a private investor. So that being said, guys, if we realistically, potentially speaking, long term, it's most likely when COVID's over, we'll see a spike in the movie theater entertainment business. I believe they're also in VR heavily. So will we see AMC go back $27 in the future? In my honest opinion, I'm almost certain it's going back $27 one day. So that being said, that's a bare minimum that we can expect from AMC, right? However, can we see a shoot like we saw with Volkswagen? It's possible. Anything's possible. Right now, everything's up for grabs. But if you came today specifically to find out tomorrow's prediction, I see tomorrow staying between the $6.50 and $7 price range. If we were to break the $8 resistance, we could see this hit 12 at max. I'd say it hit 12. Anything could happen, guys. But yeah, we're probably going to see this around the $6.50, $7 range. And who knows, but the future will tell. The best future we can see will be on Monday, because when markets close, people might not want to hold over the weekend. We're going to probably see a lot of selling towards the close of the market, which will drive the price down. But that being said, guys, are you guys buying the dips? Are you burnt? How much money have you lost? Drop all that down in the comments below. If you want to join the Discord community is popping, guys. We have 210 members, and we're super, super active. We have chats going on from when I freaking wake up till I'm about to go back to bed, and I sleep pretty damn late. So if you want to join the popping community, join the community down there. It's totally free to join and stay connected. And hey, if you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're going to be talking about a bunch of other stocks as well. I know the hype stock's over, and people came to this channel originally because of the hype stock, because of the AMC titles, because of the GME titles, but I hope we stay so I can teach you guys and show you guys some long-term buy and hold positions, some penny stocks I'm looking at, and how you could really grow your portfolio. That being said, guys, only invest the money you're willing to lose, and until next time, peace.